Hi, this is Alan at Ripperton Resources LLC, and today I want to announce our new product. It's a Packout single hanging for any tool. For instance, any kind of an impact wrench or any kind of tool like that. It's for a single. I know that Milwaukee sells a double and has some extra accessory places. So this is meant to, hey, I've only got one extra tool, I need to hang it, and I want to hang it anywhere I want. Instead of taking up a full block side here of the Packout wall, I can just take up two rows in this column. I've been testing this product for the last 3 weeks using the Milwaukee high torque impact wrench with a large battery on it, an XC6, and it hangs just fine. You can hang it this way, or what I like to do, because I actually like to see the front of the tool, is I like to hang it like this. That way I can tell what kind of tool I have. If you have several tools, sometimes it can be hard to tell which tool you're looking at from behind, as sometimes they look the same. So I like hanging mine like this. But this will hang either way. You can put whatever kind of tool you want there. Here's a smaller impact. It fits just fine. And again, I like to stick them in this way. As with all of our wall Packout products, it's easy to install and uninstall. Just take these two tabs. You're going to pull the part up and slip it out. And to install it, just simply push it into place, and you'll hear that snap, which means that it's locked in place. Using these products allows you to be able to put something up here as well, above it. But this one is more compact. It allows tools to hang down. For instance, if I wanted to put two tools here, for instance, put something above it, there's still room here to do that. It just gives you more space and more options. You can use many accessory that Milwaukee sells and put it up here and fill up this row up here and still have room for your smaller tools. As you saw, the high torque impact wrench would probably go up a little high, too high for you to be able to put something there. But if you had these smaller tools, it does give you room to use them that way. It frees up more space. You can really fill up your wall in all of the little nooks and crannies that you might have. We're going to offer this in two colors, red and black, and they're available today at rippertonresources.com. This is fulfilling a need that I had, but if you have a specific need that you need some kind of Packout wall mount solution for, please don't hesitate to contact us on our contact page or at contact@rippertonresources.com, and we'll look into coming up with a solution. Several of our products, especially the last couple of our products, have been suggestions from customers, and other customers have picked those up, and they've been pretty successful. So we do custom work as well. Wanted to let you know that we are now offering scanning services. So we do 3D scanning. We can provide the raw model, and we can also provide a model that's brought into Fusion 360, or it's ready to bring in any CAD program. Those are good for reverse engineering or creating a product or a part that is obsolete and you can't get them anymore, and you want to 3D print it. We'll also do 3D printing services and also 3D CAD services.